Morning, guys. Once again, you got a chance to notice something that Mr. Allen did here. See if anybody comes up with that, and possibly even next time too. And that might be the easier one to figure it out. But short O versus long O today. Same things we've been doing. Vowels, short sound, short O as in sock, ah. And then long O as in bone, bo-on. Okay, and there are two oddballs this time. Two oddballs. Listen to your words, their pattern, and the ones that sound different. Something to look at, the word whole, right? Because a lot of us do mix this up when we're writing, right? This hole, H-O-L-E, is like a hole in the ground or a hole in your shirt. If there was a W in front of it, that's when you're talking about a whole group, like my whole family, okay, or the whole school. This one with no W, H-O-L-E, is a hole in the ground. Another word, hose, has several meanings. Could be like a garden hose for water, or as we saw in Come On Rain, the hose that a lady might wear when they flung off their shoes and hose and joined their kids out in the rain. For our pictures, we have cone, we have clock, we have pot, and we have rope. So there's your short and long O vowel picture words. Another one that could often be missed is this one right here, nose. This is the nose on your face. Sometimes people spell it that way when they're talking about he knows a lot of stuff. But this is the nose that was on your face, is on your face. The other kind of know we know or should know is K-N-O-W. Finally, because of the O-E in hope, we should know it's hope and not hop. And again, I know some of these can be confusing, but our O-E gives the O its long name. Okay, so that'll give you a hint with some of the other things I mentioned. As usual, do your sort. Take care of any scraps, scissors, glue. I'll check your sort. And then you can get your packet to get your name on and make sure you're working quietly. If you choose to do so, you may also begin putting your words in spelling city. I know that can take some time as well. Get your words glued into your planner or written in. I do like that I see quite a few people write them in. That will help you with your initial spelling. Just make sure if you have to copy a word that you're unsure of, that you spell it correctly so you're not studying it wrong. And let's try our best to work quietly today.